Hi there. So I've shared before what my favorite quilt subscription box is, and it's the Pre Cuts Quilt Shop. But I also subscribe to another box called the Sew Sampler, and it's from the Fat Quarter Shop. This box is also really great. It is about half the price as the Pre Cuts Quilt Shop, so that's a good box to look into if you don't want to spend as much as the Pre Cuts Quilt Shop subscription is. So let's jump in and see what is inside. Okay, so I have been getting these boxes monthly for about 5 months now, I think, and I absolutely love it. You don't get as much fabric as you do in the Pre Cuts Quilt Shop, but this box is a lot of fun because you get fabric, you still get a pattern, and then you get extra little notions. So this is the August 2020 box, and it says Rise and Shine, and usually the sleeve kind of gives you an idea of what's inside. So let's take a look. So this is a cutting mat, and it's a rotating cutting mat. I love these. They come in really handy for trimming your, let's grab one of these. This is actually a pattern that came in my Pre Cuts Quilt Shop, but it's really nice for trimming the outside of your blocks and things like that, because you can set it on and just rotate the board and trim everything off. So let me show you. I have another rotating mat, but it is larger than this one, so I'm sure it works the same. So the top is usually what turns. So this one's a little tight. It hasn't been used before, but you see how it would be sitting, and then you can just turn the top, rotate the top to trim. So that was a little stiff right now, but I'm sure it'll loosen up. So then you always get a little pamphlet that tells you everything that came in the box, and it usually has values. It'll tell you the amount, like there's apparently some quilting needles in this box, and then it'll tell you what the value is, so $1.48, and that tells you the value for all the different items. And this one, it actually comes with more fabric than you usually get. Sometimes you just get one pack of pre-cuts. This one has 2 charm packs, and let's see, so the value is $19.96 for those, and these are really pretty colors. Oh, I love that plaid. Did you see that flip through? That's really cute. There's some great patterns in here. Oh, little chicken. So that's probably part of the Rise and Shine. It's really cute. Let's see, so those were the needles I mentioned. And then there's some crazy quilt paper. So these are 5 by 5, and they'll work perfectly with the pre-cuts. And that is the design on them. I haven't used quilt paper before, so I'm excited to try that. And then here is the pattern. And usually you get sent that stuff because it's part of it, and it looks like, yeah, so you use the crazy paper can be used to put together some of these blocks. And then right now they're doing a greatest hits, so every month you get a quilt block to complete, and then I believe at the end of, after you get all these greatest hits patterns, you can put it all together to make a quilt. So I think I got a great amount of stuff in this box. I believe it's about $25 a month plus shipping and handling, but I'll leave in the description what exactly the amount is for this box. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Bye.